हे गाइस, आज की इस वीडियो में हम देखेंगे बेसिक्स टू एडवांस कंप्यूटर फंडामेंटल्स के टॉप MCQs। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग्स इज नॉट अ ब्राउजर? राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन सी, याहू। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, इंटरनेट एक्सप्लोरर्स इज अ टाइप्स ऑफ डैश। राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन सी, ब्राउजर। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, Fortran is called dash. Right answer is options A, formula translator. Next question. The first electrical computer was made in dash. Right answer is option C, 1946. Next question. A device that converts digital signals to analog signal. Right answer is options D, a modem. Next question. Which of the following is not an input device? Right answer is options B, laser printer. Next question. The speed of computer clocks is measured in dash. Right answer is option C, megahertz and gigahertz. Next question. Which shortcut key is used to perform spell check? Right answer is options D, F7. Next question. What was the name of the first computer designed by Charles Babbage? Right answer is options A, Analytical Engine. Next question. Which types of softwares is designed for users who can customize the programs they use? Right answer is options A, open source software. Next question. Direct access of files also known as. Right answer is options A, random access. Next question. Which country has the largest internet user? Right answer is options D, China. Next question. What does ISP stand for? Right answer is Internet Service Provider. Next question. What does TCP stand for? Right answer is options D, Transmissions Control Protocol. Next question. What is the name of the first computer network? Right answer is options B, ARPANET. Next question. A methods of ensuring of a document is called dash. Right answer is option C, digital signature. Next question. Formatting a disk means dash. Right answer is options B part. Next question. Which of the following is our non-impact printer? Right answer is options D, all of these. Next question. The shortcut key for pasting copied contents in a document. Right answer is options C, Control plus V. Next question. Which terms is used to describe RAM? Right answer is options C part, both A and B, static RAMs and dynamic RAM. Next question. Which of the following is the best memory? Right answer is options A, cache memory. Next question. In most of the cases, operating systems such as Windows resides on the computers. Right answer is options D, hard disk. Next question. Network's interface card is an dash device. Right answer is options B, inputs and output. Next question. Which of the following has the most storage capacity? Right answer is option C, DVD. Next question. What is a website's main page called dash? Right answer is options B, home page. Next question. The ability to combine name and address with a standard documents is called dash. Right answer is options A, mail merge. Next question. Which one of the following is an MS-DOS external command dash? Right answer is options B, format. Next question. How much data does a standard floppy disk hold? Right answer is option C, 1.44 MB. Next question. Communications between computers and keyboards involves dash transmission. Right answer is options A, simplex. Next question. Which of the following is an impact printer? Right answer is options A, daisy wheels printer. Next question. Which MS Windows programs do you use to manage folder and files? Right answer is options D, Windows Explorer. Next question. Which of the following memories needs refresh? Right answer is options D, DRAMs, Dynamics RAM. Next question. Multimedia can contain dash. Right answer is options B, animations, video, music and graphics. Next question. An input device that uses optical characters patterns to input printers text dash. Right answer is option C, scanner. Next question. What is a collection of 8 bits called? Right answer is options D, byte. Next question. Another terms for main memory is called. Right answer is option C, RAM. Next question. Resolutions of a laser printers is specified in terms of dash. Right answer is options D, DPI. Thank you.